rolling for the thoracic spine. So I like a smooth foam roller, not something that's bumpy. The length of it doesn't really matter for this, but long enough that you're going to get your muscles of the spine. And then from here, you don't want to foam roll your low back. And so unless you know it's safe, we're also not focusing on that right now, but you want to start at the bottom of the rib. So you don't want to start from the bottom of your spine. You want to start from where your ribs end. So from here, I'm going to put it right at the bottom of the curve of my mid back, and I'm going to get in a position so that it's comfortable here. And I'm going to raise up my bottom so I'm secure, and I'm only going to do a couple of inches at a time. When I'm flat on my back like this, I can get both of the paraspinals, and it's a nice smooth foam roll. So that's easy to do. I'm going to continue to go all the way up just a little bit at a time. If I need to reposition my body, I can. I'm going to aim to go all the way to the top of the spine. And then as I get closer to the top of my spine, I'm going to bring my bottom up even more so that I can get that angled part and still put a lot of pressure on those muscles. Now, if you want to get more specific, you can certainly roll to the side and you're going to get much more pressure on the paraspinals to the side of your spine. You can also start to get the traps and the muscles of your scapula as well. So as you're rolling all the way up the spine, you're working on just putting pressure on those muscles, getting that blood flow and working out some of the knots. So foam roll all the way up and down the spine. I also like to foam roll the front of the spine to help with the thoracic spine. So in order to do that, it's very awkward, but you can certainly do that where you're foam rolling the chest, and then you can foam roll here and go up and back. You can foam roll underneath the shoulder, your armpit, so that you can get to the side here. And you're getting more of that lat, but you can go all the way underneath and really dig on those muscles there. So you want to try to get the whole apparatus of what's holding your muscles and making your spine so tight and constricted. So roll the front, roll the side, get into the arms, get the back. You can really get into those chunky knotted spots that are behind your arms underneath the shoulder blades. And that really helps to get that to be freed up. The other thing I like to do is spending some time just relaxing on the foam roller as well. That opens up your chest. So getting in a position that is comfortable, maybe you'd have a longer foam roller, but this one you can hold and you're opening up that chest, so you're stretching out the pec muscles and allowing that chest to open up. Here I don't have any support for my neck, so that's where some of you may benefit from having a longer foam roller, but I do have support under my sacrum. This is easy to do. I just get to now also do a little exercise with my neck as I stretch out the pecs. But this one you can do for 30 seconds, a couple minutes, and really stretch that out and hold that position to open up that chest. Great stretches and exercises to do for your thoracic spine.